Welcome back to Notorious Crafts. I went into Hobby Lobby in early December to see what Christmas and holiday miniatures I can find. I noticed that so many of the Christmas items were already sold out, so I would actually recommend start your holiday miniature shopping many months before. I saw that they had some of these items as early as August, so if you are planning for next year, start shopping many months before the holidays to find some really nice miniature Christmas items. Some of these really tiny ornaments can make really great decorations for your dollhouses. When I went to Hobby Lobby that first week of December, most of the Christmas items were 60% off, so that's a really good deal. If you want something very specific, then you might want to buy it when it is available many months ahead, just so it doesn't get sold out. After checking out the ornament section and without having much luck there, I went to the craft section, and there were so many great holiday craft items that could be turned into dollhouse miniatures. And in the craft section, I was lucky enough to find these miniature Christmas trees, and there was still a lot of them available, as well as these wreaths. They would be great to hang on the door of a dollhouse. I also grabbed a few of these Santa hats. With the sale, they were under $1 each. And then I also grabbed some of these different embellishments. They would make great holiday decorations just on one of my holiday cabinets. And then I also found these tiny little snowmen. They would look really great underneath a miniature Christmas tree. And I also found a little tiny Santa suit, so I did grab that. I thought that'd be a nice little decoration to add to my dollhouse. And sadly, this was pretty much the rest of the Christmas and holiday things that I could find around Hobby Lobby. Everything else was just completely sold out. Let me know down below in the comments when you guys start shopping at Hobby Lobby or in other craft stores for your Christmas and holiday items. I did go to the scrapbooking section and found a ton of different kinds of scrapbooking paper that I'm going to use to turn into miniature gift bags and presents. When I was in the Christmas section, you might have noticed that there was still a lot of boxes that were in the aisle, so I wonder if some of the Christmas items got shipped out very late, and so maybe there's still some stuff available that they're putting out now. I did go to Hobby Lobby's website online and found a lot more items there that were not sold out yet. My only worry is that they would take a very long time to ship to me. I know that with the holiday rush, many packages are delayed. I just think next year I need to shop a lot earlier for my holiday items. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for all things miniature. And see you guys in the next video.